Welcome to On Chemistry. Always try to do your best. Now let us see about P and M configuration in organic chemistry. Basically it comes in chiral compounds. It is a relatively new concept. We will see how we can find it and step by step in sections of it. So what we will see inside? At first we will see what is chirality, then finding up P and M configuration. We will see how we can do step by step. Then we will see some example. The chirality also called spiral chirality, and we will see the different compound having spiral chirality. The chirality can be easily understood by shoe, the footwear, because left shoe is the mirror image of right shoe. You cannot wear left shoe on right leg or right shoe on left leg. So even though they are mirror image, they are behaving different and have the difference in the 3D orientation. That's called stereochemistry. So left shoe definitely not equal to right shoe. This is called chiral compound, which is optically active. It will rotate the light. Normally 4 types of chiralities are known. First one is zero dimensional, which is everybody know it's a chiral center. The carbon attached with 4 different atoms. Then the one dimensional chirality, it come in the alene system, cumulative double bonded systems. It will normally call chiral axis. Then the next chirality is 2 dimensional chirality. Normally it will have chiral plane. The compound has chiral plane inside, so it is called 2 dimensional chirality. The 3-dimensional chirality, that's what our interest now. Normally it is called spiral chirality. It will come with chiral chelaces. These kind of compounds are very peculiar. You can see from the structures that the continuous arrangements of benzene. The benzene continuously ortho-fused system. 6 benzenes are fused. You can call it as 6 helicene here, 6 benzene ring. It is a spiral compound. It is like DNA and RNA. If you don't know DNA or RNA, simply you can say it's a spiral like spring. So it has specific chirality, only differ in the space, which is 3D space. This kind of compound is definitely chiral. It is optically active and can have an enantiomer. These compounds are chiral even without chiral center. Now we will see how will you find P or M. It is easy once you know the step-by-step procedure. The first thing is you have to start from the priority. The top one have higher priority than bottom one. So you have to find the structure above the plane and below the plane. Then you have to find the orientation. If the orientation in the clockwise direction, it is called P. If it is in the anti-clockwise direction, it is called M. P stand for plus, M stand for minus there. Here I given the structure as an example. The thicker line indicates above the plane and the dotted line indicates below the plane. So if you go from the higher priority to the lower priority 1 and 2, you have the clockwise configuration. That's why it's called P. So this is the way you have to find it. If it go anti-clockwise, it is M, but here it is P there. This P and N configuration is like R and S configuration in the chiral compounds. So the trick to know this one is SPAM, C SPAM. C stand for clockwise, P is configuration, A stand for anti-clockwise, M is configuration. So trick word is SPAM. Here I given the more prominent example, which is 6 helicene, 6 benzene ring fused in the ortho position. Here you have to know above plane and below plane. If you go from above to below, it will go to the clockwise direction, so it is called P. It is spiral, clockwise and B direction. Then that the mirror image. Like chiral compound, its mirror image, which is enantiomer, it will go anti-clockwise because above the plane and below the plane oriented in anti-clockwise orientation. So it is M there. So this compound is chiral and enantiomer. This example given you to know it is like any other chiral compound. Then we will see few other example. The chirality from the 6 helicene is easy, clockwise without chiral center. So the chirality come from the bigger benzene system. It also coming from the lower benzene system, which is 3 helicene. The 3-member system also can be chiral. Here you position from above the plane, below the plane. Here above the plane is methyl, below the plane also methyl. So if you go from that, it will be anti-clockwise direction, it is M. And another important fact here is The compound can be attached with another chiral center, like the usual one with 4 different atoms, chlorine, alcohol and hydrogen. So it will have two kind of chirality here, spiral chirality as well as the chiral center. So the compound can have both spiral center as well as chiral center. That's all from this episode. I hope it was easy. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below. If you found my video is useful, do subscribe.